Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewers, today's paper is about cryoprotectant effects of egg yolk on Indian red jungle fowl sperm. B.A. Radhika is the lead author. Viewers, egg yolk is a good external cryoprotectant of mammalian sperm and some wild bird sperm, but at least in domestic breeds of chicken. It may inhibit eventual fertilization of ova when high concentrations are used. This study was designed to evaluate the hypothesis that egg yolk can protect the sperm from cryo-induced damages, providing adequate fertilization in the Indian red jungle fowl. The authors designed the study to evaluate different concentration of egg yolk in extender in comparison with glycerol. Viewers, the authors concluded that 15% of egg yolk can be used in cryopreservation protocol of Indian red jungle fowl sperm. This article was published in October 2018 in the Journal of Therogenology. Viewers, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.